Hello, my name is Brian Lewis, and I'll be the instructor for this section of English 1B online. This class I've titled Science Fiction Literature, Imagineering the Future, since many sci-fi works do actually ask us theoretical and philosophical questions as it pertains to really what would a society maybe look like if we either kind of look forward or if we think about how a certain technology might have an impact on it. So we'll be using science fiction literature as a mechanism to help us kind of write essays and get better at essay writing. The first essay assignment, you'll be writing about David Bowie's Space Odyssey, kind of looking at that song as a poem and introducing you to literary analysis in a sense. And then the second essay, we'll kind of come back and do a more traditional essay, a rhetorical analysis essay of one of two essays you choose. You choose one of these two essays on the future to write about. And then the third essay, you'll choose one short story of several short stories to do another timed essay on. And there are several different famous sci-fi writers that I have you have to choose from. And then in the fourth essay, you'll do a comparative analysis of two apocalyptic poems. So several famous apocalyptic poems you'll read and then compare two of them. And then in the final essay, you'll look at three different works by three different authors in three different genres. A novel, Mary Shelley's Frankenstein, a play, Karel Čapek's Rrr, which is where the word robot originated from, and then a movie, Ex Machina. Each of these different works kind of touch on human creation, that is, when society tries to recreate life itself, and ask maybe some questions about that. But you're going to try to figure out, again, what is this primary question that each work is kind of asking, and then try to kind of put them all together in a large kind of finished essay. So that's the topic of the class. Again, I hope that that's something that interests you and something that you can get into, because it's just the content, and really writing classes are more about the process or about learning about yourself as a writer. So other than reading about and learning about science fiction literature, you're also going to be really trying to self-analyze and try to figure out how to become a better writer, how to, improve your writing process, how to improve your critical thinking skills. Okay, and how do we do that? Well, we do that by using a portfolio type analysis where you record all these different steps that I ask you to do in your portfolio, and then you reflect back on how and whether the different strategies and steps that I've asked you to do are in fact improving your writing. If we give you a space to kind of think about how you're improving or whether you're improving, I find that students are able to isolate and really pick up skills more deeply. So this class will really be devoted to helping you kind of analyze yourself as a reader and a writer and a critical thinker, and again, it gives you this kind of mirror to do that in through the online space and especially in your ePortfolio. Okay, well, that's a quick introduction to the class, to the content, what it's about, and what we're trying to accomplish. So go ahead and click into the next link down below, and that will give you a kind of orientation of the structure of the class. And so good luck.